Hello, my YouTube family. What's going on? Wagwan. I hope that you're doing great. So, guys, if you take a close look at this is jerk chicken wings, and I use a simple sweet banana sauce to just top things off. With that, I'm having it with some festivals. I think festivals are Jamaican's cornbread. Guys, the festival body, bad. May I tell you, things shot. But in this video, I want to show you how I put together the jerk chicken wings. You see how succulent that look? And let me tell you something. If it bad one more time, I swear to God, this is so authentic even though it is done in the oven. So guys, this is the recipe I want to share with you. My jerk chicken wings in banana sauce. So if you're new here, welcome. Guys, remember to like, share, and leave some feedback in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. The first thing I did was to wash the chicken in lemon juice. You can use vinegar if you have that. Then I'm going to season it with some homemade green seasoning, some pineapple jerk sauce. Guys, I made this jerk sauce. I'll share the link with you in the description down below. And this is my homemade dry jerk rub. I'm also going to leave that link in the description down below. I'm adding some olive oil and browning for color. And guys, I will not be adding any more salt because the jerk seasoning has enough salt. This is what the chicken looks like after it has been marinated. My oven is preheated at 400. Now I'm going to just layer the chicken on this rack. I have already wrapped my baking sheet with foil paper, and then I'm just putting the chicken a few inches apart from each other on this rack. Once I've layered them and they look nice, I'm going to add some spray to the chicken so that it can give it a little more crunch. You understand? Because we don't want no soggy chicken. Jerk chicken must have some little bites into it. And that's what I'm wishing I will accomplish by adding the spray to the chicken. Okay guys, so this is the setup. Oven just gave me an indication that it's ready. Now we're going to pop them just like so. For the sauce, I have this banana sauce I got at Walmart. I'm going to give it a try and see what's popping. Putting some pepper flakes in there to give it some spice, ketchup, and a little vinegar for a little oomph. What I did was to remove this because it's black. This is the finished product. The jerk chicken look good. Yeah man, it looks fabulous. Yeah. So for the sauce, I'm gonna paint it just like so. Guys, of course I could have put the chicken in a basin and add the sauce and just swirl it around until everything is incorporated. But I want to control the amount of banana sauce I have on the chicken because I don't want it to take away from the jerk taste of the meat. You understand? So I think doing this, it works for me. But if you don't have the time to be painting all these chicken wings, go ahead and toss it in your bowl and just swirl it around. But guys, this jerk chicken looks good so far, and guess what, I've already tasted it because I know how it is. You're just tempted. And so this is the end result. I just garnish with some scallion. My festivals are fried already. If you have never seen how I made festival, I think I have a link I can share with you as well. So guys, this is the end of another incredible recipe from Jamtown. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember to give me a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, and subscribe if you are new. Guys, guess what? I will see you soon with another incredible recipe. Until then, what good? Peace.